All right, guys, it's Sunday Fun Day. Today we got a little bit of a creative project here. We're mixing using AI and creativity here on the Creative AI Show. Guys, I'm Brian, half of the Creative AI Show, where we're two creative guys talking AI. So today what I'm going to show you how to do is take this song that I've been working on for some time on Suno, and I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to actually learn how to play it on the guitar. So that way, say something like this, where this is a song that actually I didn't just put into AI and spit out and say, all right, here's a new song. No, I use Suno as a songwriting partner. I use this editing feature a lot to get this song exactly the way I wanted. These are lyrics that I wrote, chord progressions that I slightly came up with, and then it kind of filled in the blanks on a chorus and a bridge that I really liked. So I'm going to show you guys, how to take it just from a cool song on Suno. Now I'm actually going to be able to make it into like a workable demo to bring the band, because I don't want to just show them a Suno track. I want to actually have a working demo for myself. So we get the song here. We get it the way that we want it. You guys are hearing it all in the background. All right, all is good here. Then we go to actual Suno and we download the song. Now the next step, we're going away from desktop and we're going to go to our phone, and we're going to download a program called Chords.AI. I'm going to put the logo here on the screen right there. And I'm going to show you guys away from Suno here and go over to Chords.AI. So what Chords.AI does is it takes even a Suno song and it'll go through and it'll analyze it and tell you exactly the chords that are being used in these sections. So that way at least you've got a close enough representation of the song to be able to go through and play and kind of start to learn and show your bandmates and work it into something that's a developed song. So what I'm going to show you today is I'll put up on the screen here the actual program from my phone, and I'm going to play along a little bit here to the end of one of the verses into one of the choruses and just show you kind of how the creative process works. So I'm pretty excited about this in general. So all right, I'm going to stop the Suno track here. And I'm going to put up on the screen right about here the actual program from the my phone, and then I'm going to jam along. You guys can hear my guitar plugged in, and so hopefully the levels are good here. And this is kind of halfway through the second verse going into the chorus where I think the song really kind of explodes. So we're starting at a B flat, which you could play down here at 1, but I actually like to play it on this voicing up here. So it's nice. It shows you an example of where to play it on the on the actual guitar. But if you know how to play these chords in other positions, sometimes you might want to do that because it might work better for what you're going for. So here we go. Alright, you guys get the gist. So now that I know the chords to the song, and I don't know about you, but most musicians, we can't always hear the song and know exactly where the chords are. So having a program on your phone like Chords.AI is perfect. It's a completely free program, and these are just the basic chords. I can actually have it go a little bit deeper and do like a little more fancy chords, but you know what? This is just good. Also, you see how there's these, by the chords, there's these Roman numerals of like a V or a lowercase VI. It actually shows you how the chord progression's laid out. So when I said, hey, I want the verses of this this song to be a 1 3 2, actually, yeah, 1 3 2, and then the chorus actually went 1 5 6 7. So it added some kind of fun chord progression, chord knowledge in there. So a really cool way to take your Suno song and be able to actually turn it into something you can be live and perform. So if you have any questions, please put it in the comments. If you've gotten this far in the video, you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do. Also, every Monday, check out the Creative AI Show, where we're two creative guys talking AI. Rosh and I do our podcast 20-30 minutes talking about all the latest updates in the world of AI and doing fun things like this, where we're actually getting to be creative and mixing using AI tools with actual real world output. So appreciate you watching, and we're two creative guys talking AI.